My name is Chand Pasha. I take care of legal and collection piece in Kinara.
Hi, I'm Anuradha Natraj. I'm Head of Credit with Kinara Capital.
Hi, my name is Uma Shankar Iyer. I take care of entire South for sales and collection.
Hi, I am Rajesh Kumar Agrawal. I am the Zonal Sales Manager here taking care of West Zone.
Hello, my name is Kiran Datta, Zonal Collection Head for West Zone.
Hi, my name is Yuvraj. I am Zonal Head for South, Collection and Recovery.
Hi, I am Eshwar Bhatt K. I am AVP Credit at Kinara Capital.
Hi, I am Vaiju Kumar. I am heading the legal department since 1 year here.
I have been with this organization for a little over 1.5 years. What brought me here was the fact that this organization is a very flexible and a very women-oriented organization. You see, if you go around the place, that you will see there are a lot of women here, especially at the top, the senior leadership level.
What I like about Kinara is culture and transparency. In this company, from executive level to even the CEO, people can directly contact. And we not only more lateral, we move people from field team to the higher levels. The highest promotions I have seen in the entire my career is in Kinara. A lot of field teams have been promoted from a loan officer to the level of state heads. That is the growth we are giving.
About my experience with Kinara, there are two things which I would like to highlight here. One is that people here are very intelligent, so I get to keep learning new things. Second, the atmosphere here is very enabling. I have done things which I never thought I would be able to do. I have been given challenges, and then the atmosphere is that I am able to meet those challenges as well.
The best thing in Kinara is you will have a very good work experience, and your mentors, senior management people will guide you how to grow in Kinara.
Whenever we take legal actions, here we are getting results immediately because of the coordination between the departments.
We have a very transparent culture in Kinara. You can reach us at 24/7, and we get into financial stress of a customer, and we will try to give solution for the customer. We don't do any kind of stress to the customer to make the payment. We are different from the other organization. We get into shoes of the customer's culture, and we try to help them out coming out of delinquency.
Having worked with several multinational organizations before, I saw that here the management team really walks the talk. If they say something or if they do and believe in something, they actually, really truly take it on from there. And this is a refreshing change for me for having worked with several organizations before.
I feel very happy to work here. It's fun-loving and motivation is there. This challenging work is there.
Even if you look at the customers who were denied loans from other banks and financials, we assessed them and gave loans. From a small factory to the biggest, 5 to 4 outlets, they have put up 5 machines, 1 machines to 5 machines. So even customers have grown along with Kinara. Hence, Kinara's loyalty is very, very good, particularly in manufacturing sectors. And that is why when we look at it during pandemic time, customers were very loyal to Kinara and they're paying to us on time.
This is an organization which is very nimble-footed in terms of trying to keep up with what is happening around us. Whether it is in terms of creating a new digital loan operating system, or whether it is trying to give in women-oriented loans like the Harvikas loans that we have done for women empowerment last year. So we believe in trying to implement something that is the need of the hour.
At Kinara, it's employee friendly, feel at work, abundance of knowledge transfer. I'm happy to be a part of Kinara family.
If you are very hardworking and if you want to grow with the company, this is the right place for you to join.
I would encourage each of you to definitely give it a thought about being part of this wonderful, vibrant team here.
Come, let's join Kinara Capital and have self-experience.
Come join and be a part of our success story.